Welcome. It's January 11th, 2026, and we're going to give you all of our trades for the entire week. Maria, how you doing?
I'm very good. How about you?
I am doing great.
I'm happy it's Sunday.
Why is
wait.
that?
Oh, we got one more, one hour, 2 hours to go.
2 hours ago, and you get to start
Open
trading,
market.
and you're gonna be. What are you putting on today?
We'll find out.
All right, let's get right to the point. No one wants to hear about us, what we're doing. They want to hear. They want to see the trades. That's
They
all
want to have the info.
They want to have the info. Okay, so let's go. Here we go. All right, in our company, we think that math makes money, that this entire zero DTE thing is just a math problem. And so we back test about 19.5 million trades every single week. If you want to know how we do that, check out our videos. We then analyze them with AI, and then we put them all on with the bot. We trade around 125 or so every day, something like that, around 9,000 every quarter. So 30,000 a year, something in that range. So all the trades we put on are zero DTE trades. They're all multiple entry iron condors or exponential moving averages. In the exponential moving average, we use the 40 versus the 20. If you don't know how that works, just check out our videos. We show you all about it. If you think our videos are incomplete or you have more questions, just put it down in the comments below and we will build more videos to meet your needs. We use AI. Our assistant is called Vera. And Vera, we went to Vera 2.0 on September 23rd, and she analyzes all of our trades. And like I said, there's whole kinds of videos we have on Vera and how she works. Now, when we show you these trades, remember in the last 100 days or so, we've been using Vera 2.0. We're going to show you trades developed by Vera 2.0 this week. So we've done about 9,200 trades with her. However, when we show you these trades, understand that the contracts and trades may vary from what we actually put on. That our risk tolerances are probably different than yours. Our buying power is different than yours. Our product mix is different than yours. This is not something you should just follow along on your own. Our lawyers tell you that we have to advise you that trading can be risky. You can lose all your money, and be sure and do your own due diligence. Do not just blindly follow us. That would probably be a bad idea if you don't know what you're doing. All right, so let's get our pretty picture out of there. And Maria, why don't you tell? Well, we run two programs for the YouTube series. One is $30,000 account, and that does 6 trades a day. The other is $1 million account, and that does about 120 trades a day. We'll show you all of the 6 trades that we're going to do this week for the $30,000 challenge. We'll show you the top 20 trades that we do out of 100 and some for the $1 million. We got to keep something for ourselves and for our friends and family. So. Okay, Maria, why don't you tell us all about the $30,000 account and how we're doing?
Okay, well, it started with $30,000. After 62 trading days, we're up 11,574.
Pretty darn good. I mean, that's
so.
More than 100%, right? If you made $44,000 in a year on $30,000, I'd take that all day long. All right, so now here's our $1 million account. And how are we doing on that?
Profit or loss on this account is $317,736.
Yeah.
Trades of 9,233 with a capture rate of 13.6.
And that's important. That capture rate really is the most important part, because before Vera, we were in the 7, 8 range, something like that. And then we got it up to about 10 under Vera 1.0. And now with Vera 2.0, because we do a lot of risk tolerance and forward testing and stuff like that, and we developed our own metrics as well. It's gotten up to about, like I said, 13.5%, which is great. That's what it's all about, is the capture rate. Again, it's just a math problem. All right, so now we're almost there to the trades, right? So let's get our pretty picture in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you the trades by entry time, by the premium amount, by the trade type, by the stop loss, and the wing width. Those will all vary. It's always New York time. The premium is always what we want on the short leg, and then you'll see the rest. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so this is the 6 trades a day. This is them in chronological order. You can see these are all multiple entry iron condors, no exponential moving averages. They are all, you can see the premiums trying to get on the short leg only, not on the long leg or on the spread as is one. These are all 95% stop loss. They're all 50 wide. If you don't know what that means, watch our videos. We got tons of them. If those don't explain it to you, put comments below and we'll do more videos to explain them to you. So now for the 6 trades a day, here they are by profit and loss. And the reason I did that is I wanted to show you that these are, these are very, very profitable at noon. And so there's 3 of them here. And normally we won't do that because it's islands of correlation that we're looking to avoid, but they're just so darn high this week. And the numbers are so great when we do the back testing that these are the ones we like. And you notice it down there at the bottom is our 51, our gambler special. But we'll still be doing our video live. I don't know live this week, probably next week, but we'll certainly do one with the last 9 minutes. It's We've got a lot of positive feedback. We've done it twice. People have loved it. And so
Plus it's fun.
It's fun. It is a lot of fun. And of course, I yell and scream for you know. And by the way, it doesn't matter if you win or lose because we know we're going to win 57% of the time. We're going to lose 43% of the time. So losses are fine. We always say, well, geez, if we lost 20,000 today, that means tomorrow we might win 22,000. We always win a little bit more than what we lose. That's the whole math problem. Right. All right, so now the top 20 trades for the $1 million account. Again, chronological order, New York time. A dollar amount is the amount we're looking to get on the short leg only. And then it's either a MEC or an EMA. Then it shows you the stop loss. And on these, all of them are 150 wide. And what we do here on these 150 wides, and the 50 wides is almost always 50 wide. On the 150 wides, you can come in a lot shorter. It's the first nickel. It's the 150 wide or the first nickel, whichever comes first. Again, if you don't know what that means, look at the videos on our channel. It's all explained in great detail. Now, here they are by P&L. A lot of people have said to me, well, Rob, I don't have $1 million. I got 200,000 or 100,000 or 50,000, whatever it is. Well, here they are by P&L order. So that if you don't have enough money to put them all on, you might consider putting on, a few of the ones near the top of the P&L. There you go. All right. So, Maria, what have we got to say as we do our outro here?
Nothing.
All right. How about you can comment? But how about it says on the screen exactly what we're supposed to say? We ought to have a script. Someday we ought to have a script for these things. All right. People aren't going to stop watching. So we are going to do the last 90 minutes today. Like I said, if you're more interested in more Maria videos, more live trading, AI bots, back testing, or last 90 minutes a day, please put in the comments below. Hope you have a great trading day. Maria, close us out by saying goodbye, Maria.
Goodbye, Maria.
Bye-bye. All right, get to stop here.